Hi guys, it's me again. I thought we could do another science project. I just love science. I just keep doing it and doing it and doing it. I'll find some more things too, friends, and post it for you. But today I went to the dollar store and I got some food coloring, Alka-Seltzer, some oil, and a glass so we could see what's going on in here. So we'll need those items and just some water. So I'm going to move the camera down so you can see this really cool stuff. So there's my cup. I'm going to pour just about that much water in it. You see how much water's in that, my friends? Just up to here. Then we're going to take our oil and I'm just going to pour it in there. Look at what happens to the oil and the water when you pour this inside. Whew. I did this project earlier, so I need to grab some more oil. 1 second. I'm back. So, let me add some more. I think that's enough. If you look inside of here, you can see there's little bubbles. Oil, or is it the water? But on the bottom, you can see that it's separated. There's the waters down here, and the oil stayed on top. I wonder why. It'll be something to think about. I have my food coloring now, and I'm going to choose, maybe I'll choose blue this time. I kind of like the color blue too. So I'm going to put, count with me friends, what's 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 drops. Wow, did you see there? They're like little beads in the oil, but it didn't go into the water. Very interesting. Now we'll have our Alka-Seltzer. Very curious to see what's going to happen. Okay, we're going to put 1 tablet inside here. Oh, very curious to see what's happening. Are you ready, friends? Drop. Wow, do you see that? Something's happening. It's like a lava lamp. Wow, like a volcano inside of a cup almost. Wow, do you see that, guys? That is so awesome. Wow, I want to see. I'm going to get real close. Take a good look inside of there. Do you see all that activity? Kind of looks like a tornado in there sometimes. It spins and goes up and then it goes away and then it bubbles up. I'm not quite done. I think I'm going to put another one in there and see what happens. Do you think it'll work the same or no? Well, let's find out. Number 2. Poof. Oh, it's working just like the first Alka-Seltzer tablet. Wow, that looks like an erupting volcano on this side. Look at that action, guys. I hope you guys get the chance to do this with your family. If you do, take pictures and post them. Thanks, Aya.